Hey, what's going on, crypto world? I've been down and I've been trying to recover from the flu. So this is going to be a quick video. Uh, the Crypto Machine, Johnny Diamond Hands here, and I want to give you a quick update about Soldier nodes. There's still an active coin and everything, but I mean, if you can look at the chart here, it's at 31 cent. It's been dropping and dropping. And part of the reason is they're switching from Soldier nodes to Soldier protocol. This is their Medium.com article, and they go in and they talk about why they started and how they started, and they go through the launch and the migration from V1 to V2. Those have been following along. You know what that is. And then they talk about when their problems started. And then they talk about the tokenomics, how people were taking advantage of, errors in the code and all this stuff. And then they talk about halving and the second migration. And now they're talking about producing this thing called Soldier Pad. And what they're going to do is launch new DeFi protocols using Soldier Pad. And one of the new forks that they came up with is Soldier Protocol. And this Soldier Protocol is going to take over the spot of Soldier nodes. So they're going to discontinue support and resources to Soldier nodes, and they're gonna make sure that they're talking about how they didn't sell when the token started tanking and different things, but they're going to rebrand themselves into Soldier Protocol, and they're going to release a V2 version of the website. So just wanted to let you know what's going on. As far as Soldier nodes, you can still go in and claim your tokens and trade them in for 33 cents a token. And they'll probably charge you like $1 in fees. But I mean, if you stack up a bunch of these and then trade them in, you can still get money for them. You trade them in and you trade them for AVAX token and you can cash them out. But it's still going. It's down to 31 cents. So if you're still collecting on your nodes or your armies, still collecting SLD, you can still claim them. All right, so stay tuned for Soldier Protocol, which is going to take over from where Soldier nodes left off. I guess it's going to be a rebranded and redesigned website and everything and protocol. So that's that. And if you like this video, hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos. And as always, go make some money. I'm out.